Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, today's tea is Tirelo and Vuyokazi, So yeah guys, we all know that Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo have broken up, one went to get engaged and the other one is just remaining with his Isitembu and Virgins, But now people are blaming Uvuyokazi for their breakup. Like, what did she do? And even in this whole situation, she is not even going to be Umamkulu. So, like, why are they blaming her? What did she do to them? Like, for them to break up? She's not the one who said, Mpumelelo, please marry a virgin as your first wife. She didn't say anything. I'm just so confused why people are blaming her. She's always a bad person in this whole thing. Here's a live video that she did, guys.
Kilo says that I was very disappointed when she left, and I found her there though. What do you know? When I having Kimolo, when I did boy request that career life, how can I be disappointed that somebody left their relationship? What's disappointing about that? Because it's their choice. Hello, I'm good. Yeah.
Are they done with it?
Yes, they took it. How would you feel if I would feel okay. She has pictures with him. So, yeah. Why are you crying nowadays?
So guys, you guys have seen that live video, right? This is just a shorter version of the live video, but basically it's just Vuyokazi's fans attacking Utirelo, saying that, yeah, are you happy now that Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo have broken up? You can't build your home with another woman's tears. Like, it's a lot. Guningi. I feel for her now. I really, really feel for her. Imagine you take your phone just to be live, and the only thing that people are just saying is about Isitembu this, Isitembu that, Vuyokazi this. You can't even live your life in peace now. The only person that they should be attacking is Mpumelelo, because Utirelo Nai was also there because of Mpumelelo. So I just feel for her. I really, really feel for her. Yes, nobody's perfect. Now she has her own flaws. Her and Vuyokazi arguing and all of that. But Vuyokazi is also not perfect. Vuyokazi is also not perfect. But then yes, Tirelo is not perfect. But then it's not her fault that Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo are breaking up. Like, it's really, really not. I really feel for the poor girl now. Like, you can't even have a live and have a conversation without people mentioning Vuyokazi this, Mpumelelo this. You can't build your home with another woman's tears. You're going to regret this. Hey, wara is coming for you. You guys, people are really, really so vile. Hey, please subscribe and like. I will see you on my next one.